OpenAI, Google, Anthropic, Meta, a silent race is underway, not for better chatbots, but for AGI. Over 200 billions has already been poured into AI infrastructure, data center, chips, power. This is not a product cycle, it's a technological arms race, and the finish line could redefine everything. This is about artificial superintelligence, AI that surpass human intelligence across reasoning, creativity, science, and strategy. Microsoft has committed over 13 billion to OpenAI. Amazon pledged 4 billion into Anthropic. Google is spending tens of billion annually on AI chips and data center. Nvidia now one of the most valuable company in the world because of AI chips. The capital circulate among the same ecosystem, tech giants, cloud provider, chip manufacturer. But the broader cost, energy pricing, data usage, digital dependence are distributed across society. Here is what rarely makes headlines. Training one frontline AI model can require tens of thousands of GPUs running for weeks. That means millions of kilowatt hour of electricity, massive data center, continuous cooling system, and cooling does not just use energy, it uses water. Some estimates suggest large data center consume millions of liters of water per day for cooling depending on location and design. Now multiply that by model upgrade, global expansions, 24/7 interface of billions of users. AI is not just digital, it's physical infrastructure, steel, silicon, energy, water, and these environment costs are paid locally, often by communities near data center. And here is the real business model. Every question you ask AI, every document you upload, every conversation you have, it's not just answered, it's harvested. Your data train the next version. They sell access to data smarter AI, then charge you to use it. You are not the customer, you are the product and the customer. AI can already generate hyper-realistic political deepfake, write malware code, influence opinion at scale. We have seen synthetic media disrupt elections. So who control AI? Big tech say we are building responsibly. Government say we will regulate it. Investors say don't slow innovation. In day 6 we cover is this AI bubble or revolution? 200 billions invested, real breakthrough or use cases? Does it really inclusive and empower billions? See you then. Bye bye.